Little storyteller.
Leo loved to play. His toys were his best friends. There was Zoom, his speedy red car, Captain Blue, his brave spaceship, and Fluffy, his soft white bunny. When playtime was over, Leo would quickly push all his toys under his big blue bed. It was fast, but not very tidy. One sunny morning, Leo wanted to play with Zoom. Zoom, Zoom, he called, looking all around his room. Zoom wasn't on the shelf with Captain Blue. Zoom wasn't in the toy box with Fluffy the fluffy bunny. Leo looked under his big blue bed. It was very messy under there. Lots of dust bunnies danced in the little light that peeked through. He saw Captain Blue and Fluffy, but no Zoom. Leo sighed. He decided to take everything out from under the bed. One by one, he pulled out his colorful blocks, a stuffed dinosaur with bright green scales, and even a drawing he made with a big yellow sun. Then finally, under a pile of soft blankets, he saw a flash of red. Zoom! Leo cheered, holding his speedy red car. Leo looked at all his toys on the floor. It was a big mess. He thought about pushing them back under the bed, but then he remembered how hard it was to find Zoom. So, Leo decided to clean his room properly. He put the blocks in their box, Captain Blue on the shelf, and Fluffy in the toy basket. It took a little longer, but soon his room looked neat and tidy. Now, when Leo wanted to play with Zoom, he knew right where to find him in the toy box with his other car friends. Cleaning up properly took a bit more time than just shoving toys under the bed, but Leo learned that being diligent meant things were easier to find later, and a tidy room felt much nicer to play in. Leo smiled at his clean room. His toys were happy in their places. Being diligent, like a little worker bee always tidying its hive, helps keep everything in order and makes life easier.
Please subscribe. Thank you.